Are you struggling to make your Ion item allow overflow in Ionic 2? You're not alone. This is a common issue many developers face, and today we're going to tackle it together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your layout doesn't behave as expected. You might have tried adjusting the CSS, but it just doesn't seem to work. Trust me, this is a challenge many developers encounter. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I make Ion item allow overflow of its contents? They tried setting overflow to visible in their SCSS, but it didn't work. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what could be going wrong here? The issue often lies in how Ionic components handle overflow and height. We'll break down the steps to ensure your Ion item displays content correctly. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To allow overflow in the Ion item, the user should first ensure that the CSS properties are correctly applied. Start by setting the overflow property to visible for the Ion item and its inner elements. Next, the user should check the height of the Ion item. Setting a specific height can help manage how the content is displayed. In this case, a height of 220 pixels is suggested. After adjusting the height, the user should ensure the parent container allows for overflow as well. This means checking the styles of the surrounding elements. Finally, the user should test the changes in the application. This can be done by running the app and checking if the content overflows as expected. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Ionic was released back in 2013? It has come a long way since then, but some issues still persist. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the text wrap directive. By adding this directive to your Ion item, you can ensure that multi-line text wraps properly when it exceeds the available space. Here's the tip I promised. Always inspect your elements using the browser's developer tools. This can help you see how styles are being applied and troubleshoot effectively. And there you have it. With these steps, your Ion item should now allow overflow as intended. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Ionic development.